Is your Modern Warfare 2 crashing mid-match or freezing on the loading screen? Don't throw your controller just yet, because we have the ultimate fix for you. You are watching TechVibes, and we are going to get you back into the action right now. These crashes usually happen due to corrupted cache files or a mismatch between your console settings and the high-demand engine of the game. Step 1 is to turn off on-demand texture streaming. This feature downloads high-quality assets while you play, which often causes the game to stutter and crash. Go to the graphics settings inside the game menu and switch this to off. Step 2 is to disable motion blur and film grain. These extra visual effects put a heavy load on the console processor during intense gunfights. Turning them off keeps your frame rate stable and prevents the system from overheating. Step 3 is to delete the game save data from your console storage. Do not worry, because your multiplayer progress is saved on the Activision servers. Deleting local save files removes any corrupted data that might be triggering the crash at startup. Step 4 is to rebuild your PS5 database. Turn off your console and hold the power button until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. Select the option to rebuild your database to clean up your system software. Step 5 is to restore your license settings. Go to your account settings on the PS5 and select Restore Licenses. This ensures that the console has the correct digital permissions to run the game files without any interruption. Step 6 is to check your internet connection stability. If you are on a 2.4 GHz frequency, switch to a 5 GHz band or use a wired cable. Random disconnects can often look like a software crash when the game loses sync with the server. Step 7 is to change your system DNS settings. Manually enter DNS 8.8.8.8 for your primary server. This provides a more stable path to the Call of Duty servers and reduces network-related freezing. Step 8 is to turn off HDCP in your system settings. This digital protection can sometimes conflict with the HDMI 2.1 handshake and cause the screen to go black or the game to close unexpectedly. Step 9 is to clear the cache in safe mode. This is different from a database rebuild and removes temporary system files that might be bloated. It is a quick way to refresh your console's performance. Step 10 is a full reinstall of the game. If all else fails, a fresh installation ensures that every single pack and update is aligned perfectly. Make sure to download the base game first before adding the compatibility packs. Here's a bonus tip for you. Check your console's ventilation. Modern Warfare 2 pushes the PS5 hardware to its limit, and if your fans are clogged with dust, the console will shut down the app to protect itself. Give those vents a quick clean with compressed air. If you are still facing any difficulty, please leave a comment below. I am here to help, and I will try to reply to you within 1 hour. If this video got you back into the game, please like and share it with your squad. Subscribe to TechVibes for more fast hardware and gaming solutions. Stay frosty, and we will see you on the battlefield.